Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it.
Hey you guys, it's your gal Cutie back in the house with another shoe haul, unboxing review maybe. So these babies were the one inside the shipment box. Oh my god, here it goes. He wanted to go in the video again. Be in the video. But oh my goodness. What? Wow. These babies are the Jordan Max Aura 4. Wow. I was indecisive of getting these ones because I wanted the Air Jordan 6 Retro as well as the Jumpman 2 tray, but I got these babies and I'm not regretting them. I'm not, but I still want to get those too. Just, you gotta be using your money wisely. You can't just be getting so many shoes, of course, but as long as you wear them, it's not about just fashion, and also not just about sports and stuff. But yeah, these babies are killing it. It's just rocking. I gotta say, I am not really a fan of these ones, but this is the one I fell in love with. Wow, just look at that. The air socket. Wow. My goodness. This is gonna take me on a flight. Just kidding. I absolutely love this color on me. I just feel it's that gives me a neutral vibe and a little bit of luxury. It's just given and towards me. If it was a black, I would totally get it too, white or a little bit with blue, that's just a vibe. That's something I would wear personally and that would suit me more. So this one is just wow. You can just literally style this up. This babies are going in my closet. If these babies fit, they are it. Let's go. Literally not in my closet, but I'm keeping these babies. That's what I meant. I'm not returning these babies because they fit well.
Me vale criticar, yo soy la fucking mexicana, muy honesta la chava. Yo no ando con pendejadas, aquí rifan las barras. A mí me dijo mi madre que yo nunca me rajé. Yo no hablé que no sabía.